bird.
It's all sitting up there. Oh. One's trying to keep the other one away.
Yeah, it is. One's trying to keep the other one away from it. I don't know why.
Wants it all for itself. See it? There it is.
Yeah. That thing's pretty.
Oh, it's sitting up
Sitting
there.
up there on the...
It won't let the other one have it, Cody. There it goes. It's getting ready to come back. There it is. See, it's trying to keep the other one away.
Yeah, here it is, sitting on
Oh. There's plenty there, guys.
Plenty for both. I wish I had 2 spouts on it.
Well, some of them do. I just had that one hand in. I've got to get the other one out there. Oh, you got to do it
It's
through
sitting
the
there again.
screen. Can't see it very good through the screen.
No, not.
We'll have to take the screen off one day.
Alright, guys.
Wait a minute, there it
Wait a
is.
minute. It's back. Alright, just thought I'd check out the hummingbird. So it's back.
Oh, it's so sweet. Look at it. Here's the other one.
There's another one.
Look, it's trying its best. Yeah, that one just will not let it.
No.
I wonder why.
Alright, so we check them out here.